Okay, so this is our Thicc Boy leather camera strap, the OG. Pull it out. The leather that I use on this is thicker, almost 7-ounce leather. And then the pad is a little bit softer, like 5-ounce leather on average. Also, the hand stitching detail, I do go over it a couple of times just to make sure it is super heavy duty in there. I also taper the edges right here, so the split rings still have full mobility, although even though on this end it's still like 3/4 of an inch, pretty thick. I made this to be intended for more heavy-duty camera setups. This is the biggest camera that I got. It's kind of old, but anyways, it goes on the same way, and it does come with leather bumpers if you want to use them. I kind of don't bother with them, but it's totally up to you. It goes on just like all of our other camera straps. You take your finger, kind of open up the split ring a little bit, and just twist it on. Oh, also the length of the Thicc Boy is I think a full 40 inches. That's as long as we can make them with the hides that we get. So yeah, once it's on, you're gonna throw it over your shoulder. Damn, I love that squeaky. Means it's real good. It gets nice and soft over time. Yeah, you know, as you break it in, of course, it's full grain leather, so it takes time to break in and get soft. It'll develop a beautiful patina, just depending on how you use it. So yeah, I love this Thicc Boy OG. All right.